Hello friends and welcome to this new flight report. Today I'm taking you on board Air Canada's Boeing 787 all across the Atlantic from Montreal to Copenhagen. The flight is already delayed over an hour, so I can sit down and grab a snack and watch one of Lufthansa's latest Boeing 787. I'm really looking forward to fly with them soon. And here is our ride for today, one of Air Canada's Boeing 787. What do you think about the livery? I think the livery is pretty great. I think I like it more than the old one. Which one do you prefer? The old looking like toothpaste mint one? Or this? Write me in the comments.
C is right up here.
Yeah, thanks. The economy class on Air Canada's Boeing 787 comes in a typical free configuration. And this is my seat for today, 42C. Okay, let's have a look what we got here. Here's a comfy pillow and a blanket. The tray table folds out like this and is adjustable. The legroom itself is pretty good, but I have to store my bag underneath, so it's not perfect. We have a universal power outlet here. And overhead we can find some individual air nozzles as well as some reading lights. Okay guys, time for pushback. Let's enjoy the start. I'm very sure that everyone said that before, but I really love how quiet these Boeing 787s are. The flight time for today is around 7.5 hours, so let's check out the in-flight entertainment system. In my opinion, Air Canada's IFE offers a pretty good selection of movies with some of the latest blockbusters. TV show selection is pretty okay. And we also have a great selection of music and radio plays. Also in the IFE we can find the menu for today. Or maybe not. And of course we have a flight map with many different options. I always love to see where we are. Dinner is served and the presentation looks like this, not the best one. There are two options, I went with the chicken option. Beside we have a little salad, a little brownie for dessert and a bread roll and cheese. To drink I went with a gin tonic as well as a white wine. You have a good selection of different alcoholic beverages as well as some juices, tea, coffee or water. And the cutlery is wooden, which is pretty good in my opinion. The toilet on the Boeing 787 from Air Canada is nothing special in economy class. There's a toilet and a sink, so basically everything you need. And in case you brought some cigarettes with you, and you can throw it in this little whatever ashtray. No, seriously guys, don't smoke on planes, please. Now that the service is done, I will settle down to get some rest. See you again when the sun rises over Europe. Good morning friends, I just wanted to show you that if you're thirsty you can get some water anytime in the galley. And if you're looking for something else, there are also some juices for self-service. Breakfast is served. So we have a croissant here and a yogurt. You have again a great selection of different juices, wines, teas, coffees. I went with an orange juice and with a coffee. They could easily improve that breakfast by handing out some jam and butter with the croissant and also maybe give you some fruit. It would really make the breakfast experience much better. Maybe something for Air Canada in the future. We are about to land in Copenhagen, so here are my final thoughts about this overnight flight with Air Canada. In my opinion, Air Canada did a good job. But it also was nothing fancy about it. I really missed the little USP. I know that many people in North America say Air Canada is North America's favorite, but I can't really see the difference to other airlines like United. I am looking forward to fly Air Canada again to get a better picture of it. What are your experiences with Air Canada? Write me in the comments. Touchdown! Thanks for coming along with me on this trip. Make sure to subscribe the channel. Have safe travels you all. See you next time. Bye bye.